me how to be closer to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be stuffing the other portion of my bills, and we're gonna go ahead and unstuff all the envelopes for the bills and then put them inside this bank envelope that I made so we can deposit it to the bank and pay those bills. So let's get started. So some of you might say, well, what's the point of stuffing and then unstuffing? Why not just leave your money in the bank? Well, you guys, I am a Amazon shopaholic, you can say, or Amazon-holic who likes to shop on Amazon. I like to buy stuff, but I've been trying to control myself to not order stuff. So when I don't have money in my card, I'm like, well, how am I going to order that? So this is the reason why I like to pull out all the money from my card, stuff every single category for my bill, so I know that everything will get paid and I don't have to be like, dang it, I can't pay this bill this month. What am I gonna do? So this is the reason why I use the cash envelope system. So we are gonna start with let's see, I'm gonna pull out this paycheck breakdown. So we're not gonna be stuffing the variable nor the sinking funds. All we're going to be stuffing is the fixed expense, which is the bills. And this is what I stuffed a couple of days ago because I was late on my video. So I stuffed this. So we're just going to stuff the other portion. We're just going to stuff the same amount because, like I said in my last video, I like to divide my bills in half. So every check, I just put half and then half until I have the whole amount, and then I pay it off. Pay off my bills. So rent, we stuffed $546 a couple of days ago, so we're gonna add another $546. So we're gonna do 100, 1 2 3 4 5 550s. We're gonna do 8 of these, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And then we're gonna do 2 20s, 3 5s. I know it's a mess, but it's okay. We got this. 5 1 10s, 20, 50, and then the 100. We're almost there, you guys. Wait, what did I do? The 5, and then 1. All right, so let's count this. So my rent is $1,092. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 850. Let's just add this here, 850. And then we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's 200. 200. And then 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, and 42. And that is 1,092. Let's see if I can count it without the calculator. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850, 870, 890, 910, 930, 950, 970, 990. 1,010, 1,030, 1,050, 1,060, 1,070, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 1,092. Woohoo! So, you know what? Let's not put it back in this. So we're just going to put it to the side since we got to deposit it. And then electricity is getting another $30. So we're going to do a 10, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I'm missing a 5. 1, 2, 3. I guess we're going to have to do some singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know where I went wrong there. Oh, no, look, it's back here. Da-da-da. So we're going to put these singles back. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So put that there too. Wi-Fi charge, as you guys can see here. Streaming is getting $5 because our streaming bill is $18. So right now, a couple of days ago we stuffed 13. So all we need is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. cell phone charge, and I'm gonna put it here, but this is not the whole amount that I paid. I only paid $145. The rest is my brother and my mom, since we're in a family plan. Next is Jim, and this is my husband. So Jim is getting $14. 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So now Jim has 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's $28 to pay. And that's about it, you guys, for my bills. So now we're gonna count the money and put it inside my new bank envelope that I made. So let's close this real quick. So let's count this. Oh my God, that hurts, you guys. But that's responsibility. You have bills to pay. You got to pay it in order to live where you're living and survive. So let's put this all together. Actually, let's put it behind. So let's count this. Let's see. Maybe I don't need a calculator. So let's see. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 8, 850, 70, 90, 910, 930, 950, 970, 990, 1010, 130, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190. 1200, 1210, 1220, 1230. 1235, 1240, 1245, 1250, 1255, 1260, 1265, 1270. What? 1270, 1280, 1281, 1282, 1283, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. 1298. So that's 1,298. So let's double check that. So rent is 1,092. Electricity is $60. Streaming is 18, right? And then gym was 28. What? Wait, 1,092 plus 60 plus 18 plus 28. 1198. Did I say that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 8, 850. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yep, $48. So we were right. I think. Anyways, let's put this in my new bank envelope. Voila. And what I do is that, so I just made this. So right now, like, the vinyl is on the outside, so these are not reusable. So what I'm gonna do is, before I sell them, I'm gonna put the vinyl inside so you guys are able to reuse these. So for now, this is just for the video. I'm gonna use this one. So this is to deposit, and I'm gonna put a check just so I know that that's to deposit. And that's about it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.